Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 10 to 16, 2024. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. And of course, it's Gemini season. Happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo, Gemini. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. Okay? So let's see your overall energy for this week, mga Gemini. Seven of Cups. May nalilito. Naguguluhan. Someone is confused. Maybe you are in a situation na kailangan mong mag-decide which path to take, ano yung dapat mong i-pursue, saan ka mas magiging masaya. Pwedeng sa relationship to. Maraming options available sa inyo. And you don't know what to choose or who to choose. So kailangan diyan palakasin mo ang iyong instinct, ang iyong intuition with the moon card. And ito yung nag-caught ng attention ko is the rainbow. So rainbow, it symbolizes your happiness, your creativity. So I think kung saan ka masaya, saan ka mas nagiging malaya na express yung sarili mo, yun yung piliin mo. But of course, nasa sa'yo pa rin yan. Clarify natin yan later on. So, your possible challenge is the Ace of Wands. Yung pagsisimula, I think yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, nagpo-procrastinate kayo about an idea or an inspiration na gusto nyong gawin, subukan. Because of the things around you na halimbawa, meron kang existing na trabaho, career, or business ngayon, tapos meron kang gustong simulan, very excited ka, kaya lang, iniisip mo, paano kung maapektuhan yung existing job, career, business mo, or even relationship, no? So ngayon, yun yung challenge sa'yo, paano ka mag-take action, okay? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nag-overthink or nag-overanalyze about something na gusto nyong itry. So, kung talagang gusto nyo, take that step, no? Kasi hindi mo malalaman yan kung puro what if ka lang. Diba? Let's see your opportunity. What is the opportunity for Gemini? The Eight of Wands. You have the opportunity to make things work, to move forward, to take action. And I feel like there are also some people na very supportive sa mga gagawin mo, sa mga gusto mo. Ang importante na talaga rito is, you know what you want. Okay? Kasi kung undecided ka, mahirap mag-move forward. Okay? But I feel like anytime soon, you will overcome this challenge na kung saan kailangan mo nang mag-take action, mag-decide. Okay? There's also good news coming in sa'yo. Let's see what good news is that. In what area of your life? Ninth house, o yung mga gustong mag-abroad, magtrabaho abroad, tumira abroad. Maaring meron ka rin connections, like romantic connections sa isang foreigner or long-distance relationship. Gusto mong subukan? So, there's good news. This is also a confirmation na try it. Why not? Yung iba naman nag-iisip na mag-aral ulit, no? Or may i-explore, i-research. Then do it, especially if you are very much interested in it at naniniwala ka na meron tong maidadagdag na value sa buhay mo. Let's see your blessing. Your blessing is the Five of Cups. As a blessing, ito yung bibigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo na ayusin yung mga naging pagkakamali mo before. Yung mga bagay na pinagsisisihan mo na sana ginawa mo or sana hindi mo ginawa. Okay? So, as a blessing, I feel like makikita mo na yung ibang opportunity sa paligid mo at hindi ka na magpo-focus doon sa bagay na nawala sa'yo. Okay? So, let us clarify. What is the Seven of Cups? What is the Seven of Cups? You have the Page of Wands. Talagang pinagtitake ka na ng action. There is an exciting opportunities waiting for you na you will be discovering it din. Madi-discover mo yan for yourself. This is also an adventure na you will explore. Can be adventure, literal na adventure, going out in the woods, or adventure na exploring a new job, a new career, or even a connection, especially long distance relationship or with a foreigner. What is the Ace of Wands? Ace of Swords. This is clarity in your situation. So, new beginnings talaga to na nagsisimula for you, Gemini, na kailangan mo nang bigyan ng attention. Subukan mo na, you take action, and you will see kung ano yung resulta nito. Okay? Kesa naman nagwa-wonder ka lang, iniisip mo na lang, ano kayang mangyayari pag ganito, no? So, you will never know until mag-take action ka. Okay? The Eight of Wands is the Four of Wands. This is stability in your career, your business. Meron ka ring opportunity ngayon to celebrate an important event, no? Especially that it is your season ngayon, no? Gemini season. Pwedeng related dun sa family, pwedeng merong reunion, or kumbaga time and energy with your family together. Pwedeng travel opportunities for you. Some of you, pwede ring properties. You might be buying a property, or merong good news sa mga pinaprospect mo na properties, like may loan ka na iti-take, or you want to buy a new property, bahay, lupa. So, yeah, itong opportunity na yan, nasa sayo na yan. What is the Five of Cups? The Two of Cups, o yung iba sa inyo, yung iba kasi sa inyo pwedeng hindi na kayo masyadong naniniwala sa relationship, lalo na yung mga merong naging traumatic experience sa love life nila. But I feel like this is a blessing for you right now. Okay? This really makes sense. Kasi itong Two of Cups na to, ito yung cups na hindi mo pinapansin dito sa likod. Kasi nakafocus ka dun sa mga naging pagkakamali mo, mga panghihinayang, ganyan. So, I feel like yung blessing sa inyo, if you are looking for a romantic connection, ito na yon, no? Maaring meron kang makikilalang soulmate connection. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng opportunity to sa pagnenegosyo, like meron kang supposedly a business partner that will help you, pero hindi mo binigyan ng chance. And ngayon, no, as a blessing, maayos niyo yan, whatever that is. Okay? So, yung iyong money, career, finances, you have the Queen of Wands, very creative ka ngayon sa iyong trabaho, career, or business, travel opportunities. You also have the Queen of Cups. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, in love kayo ngayon sa trabaho nyo, in love kayo sa career nyo, masayang-masaya kayo sa nangyayari sa trabaho ninyo. Kung hindi man sa ngayon, in the near future, kasi merong growth dito, merong expansion for you in your career, your money, your finances. Kailangan lang talaga malakas yung loob mo na sumubok ng mga bagong experiences. Lalo na kung nararamdaman mo na, you know, your current situation right now is not fulfilling. So, syempre, kailangan ikaw yung maglakas na loob na mag-explore pa. You have the Ten of Cups. Okay? You will feel good about your career, your business, your finances right now. And kailangan yan lang dito is you have the passion, meron kang courage in you to pursue what you really want in your career. Okay? Or your business. Sa love life naman, you have the Hanged Man. You have the Knight of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo nagdadalawang isip sa isang relationship, lalo na kung bago pa lang to, kung papasukin mo yan o hindi. Okay? Parang meron kang hinihintay mo, parang naghihintay ka ng mga signs na, okay, pag ganito yung ginawa niya, ibig sabihin, papasok na ako sa relationship, sa connection sa kanya, romantic connection. So, I feel like you need more time, okay, para masabi mo na this is the one for you. Kasi pwedeng may mga expectations ka sa tao na to, tapos hindi naman niya na ibibigay. Okay, you have the King of Cups. Oh my God. I think itong person na to, patutunayan niya sa'yo na siya ay para sa'yo. Oo, na meant for each other kayo. You have exchanging gifts. Oh, meron kang marireceive na regalo from someone. Can be, pwedeng magre-regalo ng pet, dog or cat. Ayan na, maglalakas loob ka na, magte-take ka na ng risk finally, Gemini. Oo. Risk sa relationship, take ng risk sa career, sa business. Good advice from a wise person. So, meron kang marireceive na magandang advice sa isang tao na malawak ang kanyang pag-iisip. Pay attention to your health. O, ayan. Anything na kailangan nyong ipaayos, ipa-check up sa kalusugan nyo, ipa-check nyo na para sure. So, some of you may be dealing with a younger woman. Okay? Maaring yan yung involved sa inyo ngayon. So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!